Hello everybody, Mindy from Quilting Mayhem. A lot of you have been asking us for quilt kits. Now whether you struggle with putting fabrics together or you just need something easy, grab and go, get that project done, we heard you. We have got a whole bunch of kits. This isn't even everything that we have in the store, but these are the newest ones we have. So I just wanted to kind of go over what they were, and so if you were looking at the website, maybe it'd answer some questions. So a lot of times these pre-cuts, so this is what they call a layer cake. This is Cheddar and Twilight by Riley Blake. You don't know what to do with it. Like, you have this yummy fabric and you're like, what do I do with 10-inch squares? Well, we have partnered it with a Villa Rosa pattern called Mint Julep. And so this kit is the layer cake, the coordinating fabric, and this pattern of Mint Julep to go with it. Easy peasy. These patterns are super simple, so they are beginner friendly or just quick, get it done. This quilt is 51 by 60 and it's just ready. You just grab this and you have a quilt top done, and then you just need your backing and binding. So Mint Julep, it's Cheddar is what it's called. So this is the Cheddar and Twilight, ready to go. And you can just go to the website, go to quiltingmayhem.com. You can type any of these titles that I give you in the search bar, or just go under shop and kits, and you can see all the kits we have in the store to see what's available that might fit your need. So then we have another layer cake of Cheddar and Twilight, but we've put it with Donut Holes pattern, which is by Pammy Jane, and this quilt is 60 by 72, so it is a throw size. It does have the coordinating fabrics and the pattern in you, and so that's what that pattern looks like. Super cute. Once again, easy projects, getting them done, and maybe you needed something a little bigger, throw size, for a family member to use, you know, just snuggle up with, couch quilt, all that kind of stuff. We have another one using Mint Julep. This one is Mint Julep under Juicy. So this is using Ruby Star fabrics. I'm going to take them out because they are so yummy. Oh my gosh. So this is using a layer cake, but they actually took the layer cake apart, and I'm throwing things on the ground so you could kind of see the fabrics. So here's this part of the color palette. So those blues, yellows, creams, and then you got kind of your pinks and some more creams. And so it's all Ruby Star. It's their collection called Juicy. And then the Mint Julep pattern that I threw on the floor and the coordinating fabric, all ready to go. So Mint Julep, you're going to see quite a few kits because that is one of our favorites to partner with fabrics to get them done. Cloud 9 is what this kit is called. It's Cloud 9 and then Christmas. And so for those of you trying to get those holiday projects done, I'll just take these out because it's so pretty. So coordinating holiday prints, and then you've got your coordinating fabrics that you need to do that Cloud 9 pattern from Villa Rosa. It will look like this. It's kind of what I would call a piano key type quilt for the holidays, and that quilt is 54 by 70. And so that's another fun, easy, quick one for gift giving. Of course, we've got some Halloween. This one I haven't quite packaged up yet, but this one, so this is using Splendor Villa Rosa. This is a 56 by 59 inch project. And then it's got this really cute panel. Love this. We've gotten so many fun panels again lately. So it is using this Halloween panel. It also has the bats and stuff on the top and bottom, but you can just use the main panel piece with that Splendor, and then we've got these adorable Halloween fabrics to coordinate with it, and then coordinating fabrics to make that quilt kit for Splendor. I have a mess to clean up. They're gonna be mad at me. Mint Julep again. This is another Ruby Star, so this is using Ooh Lucky Lucky. So if you're a Ruby Star fan, we've got those kits for you. And so once again, you have all your Ruby Star, Ooh Lucky Lucky, the coordinate, and the pattern all in there, and that quilt is 51 by 60. Super cute, ready to go. And then we have it using Halloween. So this is Ruby Star Halloween fabric with your coordinate and your pattern. So like I said, you type mint julep, you're going to see quite a few because that is one of our favorites. And then, and apparently Cloud 9. So this is another Cloud 9. And it just says quilt kit. So this one is kind of a woodland theme. So if you've got somebody that likes camping or the woods, this one is perfect. Perfect for them. So you've got your greens, your browns, you've got kind of your badges from the scouts, some hiking print, snakes, all kinds of fun stuff in that quilt kit ready to go. And once again, it's got that Cloud 9 pattern going with it. So that's all the new ones. They just made those this week. It's been crazy. And don't worry, we have others available. We even have some like from Tula Pink. We have Sarah Filkey. We have some Kay Facet, all kinds of kits. Just go to our website, quiltingmayhem.com. You can go shop and then find kits, and it'll show you all the kits that we have available. And you can just put them in your cart. We can ship them to you, or you can come pick them up here at the store. Hopefully you are liking and subscribing to us and following us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. We hope you